Hi kids! Welcome to our magic math classroom. Today, we're discovering multiplication. It's just another way to count faster. Imagine shiny red apples. You pick 3 apples, then 3 more, and then 3 more again. So instead of adding 3 plus 3 plus 3, you can say 3 times 3 equals 9. That's what multiplication means. It's repeated addition, or adding the same number again and again. Now that you've got the idea, let's learn the 3 times table together, the fun way. Say it with me. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Fantastic! You're getting better with every number. Say it with me. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. Want to make math fun? Join BrightCHAMPS and master multiplication. Book your free demo class now at BrightCHAMPS.com.